Hey guys, I feel like it has been forever since I've been to an estate sale. They just haven't had any near me, but as you can see, today there is an estate sale. It looks like a pretty nice house, a very nice piece of property. So let's go shopping and see what we can find. Let's start outside. This little brass pot, $3. Is this a weight? It's a 15-pound rusty weight. That looked cute as a little plant holder, plant stand. I can't pick it up, but you know what I mean. $65 for this fan right here. Here's some horse yokes, $8 each. I think that's a little hanging chair right there. Oh, look at this bucket over here. Unfortunately, it's falling apart. That would look amazing outdoors with a plant in it. Let's see what they have over here. $15 for this huge milk jug. I think that's what it's called. Well, I love the patina on this. I might get that. $3. Ooh, I need this. This is perfect to put a Christmas tree in. I love when I find the white enamel with the red rim around Christmas time. It's an old little rusty oil thing. And then they have some cement pieces down here. Little squirrels, some little deer. The little tiny squirrels. These are cute. This is only $1 and I love the look of this. It's definitely been sitting outside for a long time. I love these. $5 each. $10 for those. Look, this jug. $5. I might get that. Look at this bowl. I have one exactly like this at my house and I put my fruit in it. Oh, I'm definitely gonna get that. Add that to my pile. Y'all, look at these Jenny Lynn grill things. What's that piece right there? Some kind of wooden thing. Little brass match holder. I don't see a price on this. Cute little stool for $5. I love the black finish on that. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's the base of a lamp. Look, here's some horsehair. Anybody need some horsehair? Ooh, look at this black pail. That's so cute. I don't see a price on this. These two cute little butter churns. I actually have a little butter churn that I got from Goodwill, and I was thinking about just making a spindle churn for it, and I thought that would be cute, and I could maybe do this with these as well. How cute would that look with just like a little natural wood spindle in it? I don't know if $5 is a good price for this. I don't usually pick these up. I think I'm gonna look around and think about these. I love this horse piece. It looks like chalkware. And some little kid drew in the eyes with a pencil, but I'm sure I can get that off. But look at this brass and marble piece. $5 for this candelabra. It's not missing any crystals. That is beautiful. Look, some little horse brass pieces. There's so much good stuff at the sale. I should have came earlier. Well, the outside was great, so I am super excited about the inside now. Is this a little towel holder? We are on a farm, so there is lots of horse stuff here. Oh, what's this? Very interesting piece. It's $4. Should I get that? I'm in the kitchen now. What is this? I think it's a wood bowl. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. It's $50 though. Look at this thing for $4. How cute. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at all the stuff. Some little needlepoint pieces. Oh, I really like this one. Love the colors in here. Let's see what the price is. I don't see a price on this. Oh, look at the little creatures. Let me pull it out so we can look at it. There's a squirrel. Maybe they're all squirrels. Oh, that's a raccoon. This little rabbit is $6 for these. Look at this piece. I've been finding some really great hunting pieces lately, so y'all definitely check out my website. For $3, I am absolutely getting this. Look at these little Christmas bunnies. It's $8 for the pair. Look at these yellow chairs. They're, for both of them, they're $125. They are in excellent condition. Oh, here's another little wooden bowl. It's $10. Oh, look. It has a little giraffe attached to it. That's cute. This basket's $5. I think it's for wine. There's just stuff everywhere. Look at this cat looking. Oh, he's cute. Is it a cat? Let's put it right here so we can look at it. I think it is a cat. They had some really great furniture here. I've been seeing people load it up in their truck. Look at this side table for $25. That's a really neat piece. I'm tempted to get it. This piece is very pretty. It's only $5 because it is missing the glass, but I would reframe it anyway. They have a lot of Christmas stuff. Lots of stuff still in the package. All these Santas for $2. Oh, look at these little carolers. It's 2 for $40. Those are pretty. This little bird lamp. It's kind of rusty the way that I like it. It's really cute. Oh, I see an angel. A little seated angel, glossy white. Look at this little guy. He's kind of cute and vintage looking. I wonder if they have more of him. Then these two, they're kind of scary though. More Christmas stuff. Little angel playing a flute. Ooh, look how pretty this little house is. Some little snow babies, $10 each. There's some little chunky Santas. Little angel. Come across these pretty often. Boxes of ornaments. These are pretty. Little cat ornament. Some little angels. Oh, I like these. Look how cute that is. Lots of angels in this box. Here's a little stool. This one's bigger than the ones I normally see. Don't see a price on it. This little tiny chicken. Lots of lamps. Little bird candle holders. What kind of candles are these? Might be glass. Are these brass elephants? Oh, y'all. brass elephants. They're huge. I've never seen anything like this before. There's some eagle bookends. $20 for the pair. Definitely have some very unique stuff here. Some horse bookends. They're black. I see some more brass down here. It's $5 for this little teapot. There's some cobalt blue stuff up here. They have these hand carved cactuses right here. It's 3 pieces for $25. I mean, this isn't something that I would put in my house, cactuses, but I do love the hand carved look of these. Look at this little bunny rabbit. He's $3 and somebody hand carved him. One of the pieces of his ear did break off, but tempted to get him. I love the look of this piece. I also spotted this little bird right here. He's adorable. There's lots of really great wood pieces at this sale. I found a pantry. What is this? It's a big chicken, and then there's some little chickens in it. Well, that's just adorable. I'm gonna have to get that. But look at this clock. Very interesting. Some little cabbage pottery. Y'all see anything else that I should be picking up? Look at this very interesting teapot right here. This is old. Little decorating kit. Let's see if there's anything down here. Lots of pans. Some molds. Here's a little homemade gumball machine. What are these? Some little shell dishes. I found another chicken piece. Look at this chicken fly swatter. I think it's handmade, so I'm gonna get that, and I'm also gonna get this. They are just too unique to pass up. Lots of good artwork here. Almost missed this ladder right here. It's $40. I wish I had a spot for it in my house. Look at these little turtle toothpick holders. That's adorable. I've never seen anything like that before. They have some seashells, and this starfish caught my eye. I love the look and the age on this piece. Also really like this one. I can't tell if it's like really a shell or if it's cement. It's very heavy. That'll look great on a stack of books. Love the color of it. I might get these too. I don't know what y'all think. They also have these for $5 each, which I think is a great price. They are heavy. They are not broken. These are beautiful. Look at this one. It does have a spike that's broken on this one. Maybe I'll just get this one. Here is a pink metal ironing board. I think this will look so cool in somebody's laundry room. You just take the back off and then you just use this like a piece of artwork in your laundry room. Now this piece is very unique. It's a tea light candle holder weenie dog. I ended up spending almost $200 at this sale, and I got more stuff than I even showed y'all on camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a full haul video over on my YouTube channel on Tuesday. So y'all will be on the lookout for that. This was an absolutely amazing sale. Also, I may come back on Sunday for half price day. So if you saw anything that you think I should definitely go back and pick up, y'all leave a comment below so I can grab it the next time I come.